Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC Ground Force, has unveiled a new type of suicide drone with a range of 20 kilometers as the military unit continues to upgrade its cutting-edge warfare technology. The loitering drone named Rezvan was introduced and operationalized on Thursday, the final day of Great Prophet 19 military drills by the IRGC Ground Force in western Iran. The unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has a range of 20 kilometers and a 20-minute flight endurance. The suicide drone is equipped with a camera mounted on the front that sends images after being launched from its cylindrical launcher, allowing the operator to select, lock on and attack a target. Owing to their versatility and rapid deployment, the loitering UAVs provide the IRGC Ground Force's rapid response units with new capabilities to combat terrorist groups, not least in complex mountainous geography. Loitering munitions refers to a group of weapons that, after being launched, are guided towards the target by optical and thermal systems, and detect and destroy the target by crashing into it. The aerial weapons are used in ground combat, especially anti-ambush operations, and due to their small size and man-portability, they have become a suitable weapon for ground forces. The unveiling came amid ongoing military maneuvers in Iran's western and central areas, which have enlisted the Islamic Republic's armed forces. The armed forces, including the IRGC and the country's army, have been continuously enhancing their military hardware and combat readiness in line with the directives of leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei. The forces have vowed to defend the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity in the face of the threats by the Iranian nation's enemies. In a related development on Thursday, the Army announced that it is set to take delivery of 1,000 strategic drones designed and produced by the force and the support of the Defense Ministry. Commander of the Iranian Army's Ground Force Brigadier General Qayyamars Haidari said earlier that the new military equipment joining the Army has capabilities like maneuverability, precision, and smartness, and is network-based, which will be used to counter any type of threat. Praising the Army's use of advanced technology, Haidari said, "Over the years, the Army's ground force has proven that it can thrash any enemy in the fastest possible time, and anywhere in the country."